Turn right. Turn right. No, no, stop. Marsha, I don't know why you want to turn around. Left, left. Stop. You just hit the burn pile. Back up. There you go. Yep, turn it that way. All right, now sharp. Sharp the other way. Sharp right. Yep, sharp right. Ah, sharp left. I don't know why you're doing that. Okay. Straighten it out. Yep, straight. Straight. Okay, now to your left. Okay, turn it right. Are you good?
That was cool.
So when the red light's blinking, that means it's videotaping?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
All right.
Awesome.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.